हेलो गाइस। आज हम सबसे पहला चैप्टर दैट इज़ नंबर सिस्टम्स पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। यू आर इनटू योर 9th क्लास एंड विद द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स मेरे ख्याल से आप ज़्यादा ही एक्साइटेड होंगे टू लर्न न्यू मैथमेटिकल रूल्स, राइट? बट बिफोर ऑल ऑफ दैट आपको सीखना है कि कौन कौन से टाइप के नंबर्स होते हैं। ओके, देर आर वेराइटी ऑफ नंबर्स ऑन टू द नंबर लाइन। यू नो अबाउट द नंबर लाइन, राइट? आपको पता ही होगा नंबर लाइन हैज़ वेराइटी ऑफ नंबर्स एट ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट। अभी इसी नंबर्स को अगर आपको कैटेगरी में फिक्स करना है तो वो कौन कौन सी कैटेगरी होगी, यही हम पढ़ेंगे आज, राइट? तो स्टार्टिंग विद द वेरी फर्स्ट कैटेगरी दैट इज नोन एज एन natural numbers. Okay, what are those natural numbers? Natural numbers are the numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 going up till infinity. Okay, वही numbers जो 1 से start होते हुए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 goes up till infinity are all under the category of natural numbers. Okay, now if you take an example of this, if you are having a sum, suppose say a problem stating various numbers 2.5, 3, 3.5, -4, 0, इनमें से अगर आपको बोला जाए कि find the natural numbers, which are the natural numbers? So among this is a decimal numbers. Okay, a number including decimal is not into the category of natural number. They are not the natural numbers. Okay, 3 obviously yes. Okay, it's a natural number. 3.5 again decimal आ रहा है तो ये भी natural number नहीं है. We are going with next, that is -4. Negative numbers are not under the category of natural numbers. आप 0 की बात करो, again it's not a natural numbers. Okay, so with this you get an idea that numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, all the positive numbers on the number line except decimal numbers are natural numbers. Okay, coming to the next category, that is W, which is known as whole number. Okay, when into the list of natural number, if you add 0 to it, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, natural number and 0, उन सारे set of numbers को कहेंगे हम whole numbers. Okay, so now here 0 is in the category of whole number. Okay, that is represented by W, capital W. Okay, so दो सेट हो गए आपके. पहला natural number starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 going up till infinity. The second set of number is whole number starting from 0 and again all the natural numbers. Okay, coming to the third category, that is Z, known as integers. Now into the set of 0 and positive numbers एक्सक्लूडिंग द डेसिमल नंबर्स, अगर आप नेगेटिव नंबर्स को भी ऐड करोगे उसी कैटेगरी में, दैट इज रेंजिंग फ्रॉम इंफिनिटी -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and going up till infinity. So set of negative numbers 0 and set of positive numbers will come under the category of integers. Again mind well, no decimal वाले numbers इसमें include होंगे, decimal वाले numbers include नहीं होंगे, neither in natural numbers nor in whole numbers and nor in integers. Okay, so you have learned 3 category of numbers, that is N, natural numbers, W, that are the whole numbers, and the integers, that are the ranging from negative numbers 0 and positive numbers. So these are the 3 category of numbers. Coming to the next set, अभी इसमें क्या क्या include हो गया? All the set of positive numbers 0 and all the set of negative numbers. But how about the numbers having decimal? Okay, how about the numbers having representation into fraction, ratio form? उन सबको किस में include करेंगे? So the next category for that is Q, that is known as rational numbers. To be clear with the definition, what are the rational numbers? So any number that could be represented in the form of P by Q, any number जिसको हम रेशियो के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, that is P by Q are known as rational numbers. जहाँ पे आपका जो Q है वो नेगेटिव नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, अगर नेगेटिव होगा तो क्या होगा? the ratio will come out to be infinity. Anything in denominator having 0 will have the answer into infinity, right? So ये 0 ना होते हुए ये दोनों पॉजिटिव नंबर्स हो, वैसे वाले रेशियो वाले फॉर्म को हम कह पाएंगे रैशनल नंबर्स. ओके, सो रैशनल नंबर्स आर रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द नोटेशन नोन एज Q. Okay, so Q is the next category of number system known as rational numbers. Okay, now the other category is Q dash. Q dash are what? Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers, as the name suggests, is the opposite of rational number, right? So what are rational numbers? The numbers which can be represented in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equals to 0. So irrational numbers are the numbers which cannot be represented in the form of P by Q. Okay, which cannot be represented in the form of P by Q are known as irrational numbers. अभी आपको ये होगा कि ऐसे तो कौन से नंबर है जिसको हम रेशियो में भी रिप्रेजेंट नहीं कर पाते. तो the example for this are √2, √3, any value of √5, √7. Okay, these are all the irrational numbers. Even the value of pi is irrational number. Okay, अब अभी तक आपने पाई की वैल्यू जो लिखी थी वो 22/7 लिखते थे आप into the sums, but that is just an approximation taken for pi. Okay, exact value नहीं है पाई की ये. So pi also comes in the category of irrational numbers. Okay, so you have studied this many categories of number system ranging from natural numbers, the whole numbers, the integers, the rational numbers and the irrational numbers. Okay, these are the categories of number systems. Now, what if I say you, are all the integers rational numbers? अगर आपको पूछा जाए कि जो भी integers number है उसको हम rational numbers भी कह सकते हैं, what would be your answer? सोचिए आप, थोड़ी देर के लिए सोचिए. If you take an example of any of the integers, say 3, you are taking the number 3 integer, उसको हम rational number कह पाएंगे? तो आंसर इज yes. क्यों? क्योंकि 3 को हम लिख सकते हैं 3/1. तो ये हो गया हमारा Q, P by Q फॉर्म हो गया. And satisfying the condition wherein Q is not equals to 0 and दोनों P और Q पॉजिटिव या तो इंटीजर्स नंबर्स, राइट? तो ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होती है जो है कंडीशन रैशनल नंबर्स की. ओके, सो इंटीजर्स, यस, all the integers can be represented into the rational form. Okay, P by Q form. So that are the category of numbers. Coming to the other category, that is R, which is the father of all the numbers. Okay, father क्या होता है? Collecting all the collection of numbers. Okay, so R are known as the real numbers. Real numbers, उसकी definition यही है कि any numbers which can be represented on the number line. You know about the number line, right? Which goes like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, and on the negative side 1, -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. So this being the number line, any number that can be represented on the number line is known as real number. तो उसमें कौन कौन से numbers आ जाएंगे? All these numbers, right? Each of these numbers will come in the category of real numbers. So collection of all the numbers, that is N, W, Z, Q and Q dash, all these numbers will have a common name, that is real number. Fine. So this was the number system, having the basic idea of what all numbers and into which categories the numbers could be divided. Fine. Hope it is clear. We'll be soon meeting with the sums example based on this numbers. Thank you.